Hello everyone, welcome to the LookX AI tutorial video series, episode 5. In this episode, we will dive into the core feature, image rendering. After entering the page, we can see that the center is the core functional area, the left side displays the generation history, and the right side allows you to select the image generation model and adjust parameters. First, click Upload to upload the base image you want to render. Then, you can also upload a reference image in the Style tab or select one of our preset styles. Here, we choose one of them. Back to the main page, fill in the prompt. And then based on the state of the base image, select the render type on the right or manually adjust the parameters. Finally, click Generate to create the image. It is important to note that LookX supports generating up to 4 images simultaneously, with each image consuming 1x credit. Here is the result based on the base image and reference style we chose. How is it? It's good, isn't it? In addition, it should be noted that the current operation mode is for LookX's latest image generation model, Gen 3.5. The generation logic for older models differs slightly. Gen 2 only supports the adjustment of one parameter but supports editing exclude. Gen 1 requires more precise pre-model selection and more specific parameter settings. You can choose according to your needs. Next time, we will introduce another way to generate image, text-to-image generation, and image editing features. See you next time.